Okay, this is a really quick EdTalk demo to show you how to use the reference tools in Microsoft Word. So go to the References tab and you'll see this little section called Citations and Bibliography. And we'll click on Manage Sources, and you can see on the left my master list of all references I've ever used. And on the right is the current list of references for this particular paper. To add a reference, I can click on the one on the master list and copy it over to my current list. I could click on New to create a new one. In this case, I'm going to show you an existing one. In this drop down, you pick the type of source, and oops, here, let's go back a bit. And you can have multiple authors. And if I click on the Show All Bibliography Fields, you can then add all the other parts. Once that's done, you click on OK. It'll confirm that you want to add it to both the master list, the right, left, and the current list on the right. Also note that any reference that's been actually cited in the paper will have a check mark. So at this point, none of them have been cited. At the bottom here, you can see what the bibliography will look like in this case, I have APA 6th edition. It's a good place to check because this is it's great to see where the typos happen. Okay, I'm going to close. Now I'm going to actually add the bibliography. So I put my cursor where I want it, and I click on bibliography, and I can either do a works cited or bibliography, but you can also edit the title there. So here it is. Again, I said you can go in and change the format of that. I can change whether it's APA or maybe you'd like MLA 7th edition, and there, boom, it's changed. Or I'm going to put it back to APA. And also now I want to put in my citation. So let's say at this point I'm going to insert that Breslow said that, and I have two references, so I click in here, and they need to be alphabetical order, so you choose them carefully. And Holland and Paul, there we go. There we go. Now in this case, another example is I only want to put the year, so I'm going to add Zumbo's reference, and it gives me the actual title and the year, so I'm going to edit the citation, right click on that, and suppress the author and the title, and there I just have the year. And that's that. So then, just so you can see, I go back into Manage Sources, and I can see that those three sources now have checkboxes. And that's a quickie on how to use references in Microsoft Office.